Your organization needs a way to identify and preserve content that may be needed in the event of an audit or for another legal purpose. As a member of the legal department, you can use self-service eDiscovery to quickly find critical data stored across SharePoint and Exchange. That includes information that's stored within Office documents, email messages, and even IM conversations. The eDiscovery process can be broken down into 2 steps. First, you have to identify and then hold content for your case. Second, you need to refine your search for Office content across your organization and then export your search results for further review. Let's walk through an example to see how this process works. Note that only authorized users can access the eDiscovery Center for legal purposes. For this example, we assume you have access to it. Here are a few sources that have been identified: an Exchange mailbox and a few different SharePoint sources, including sites and blogs. Note that we can also have SkyDrive Pro document libraries as sources. Let's see how to add an Exchange mailbox by clicking Add and Manage Sources. Now just pick a user related to our case. You probably don't want every single email or document from the sources that we've identified, so let's go ahead and filter out our sources by date. The next step is to protect this content by putting it on hold. That doesn't mean you can't still work on this content. Even though it's on hold, it can still be edited, updated, or even deleted, because copies are made to preserve the original versions of the content when users need to work on it. Time to move on to the second step, searching for and exporting content. Now that you've identified and protected the content related to your case, you'll want to really narrow in on what's important. You just need to type some words into the query box to get back results that meet your search criteria. You can search by proximity or relationship, or use logical operators like OR. You can filter by date as well. You can take a look at your query statistics to see how many results your searches are turning up. This is really helpful for evaluating how much it would cost to review this content. Down here, you can actually see the results of your query, like this list of Exchange items. Use refiners to quickly filter results and get more information by hovering over a particular item. Now let's have a look at the SharePoint tab to see more results. Our search turns up different types of content like documents, web pages, and even a blog post. Finally, you can quickly save and export your results, whether they're email messages, calendar items, documents, or blog posts, and get a summary of the content you exported in a spreadsheet for reporting purposes. To sum up, eDiscovery can help you quickly identify and preserve Office documents, email messages, and IM conversations stored in SharePoint and Exchange while reducing costs, risks, and impact on end-user productivity.